Yesterday at around 7 a.m., 4 unknown 10 people who came in 3 vehicles have looted cash and gold worth Rs 80 lakhs from the jewelry shop of the Wangkhem Ranjit located at Thoubal Achouba Kaithel under Thoubal police station. As per the report given by the Wangkhem Ranjit to Elite News, 4 max unknown persons came to his house and said that they wanted to encash gold worth 10 cents. Ranjit told them that he didn't have enough money to encash that much of gold, and he told them that he can ask his brother-in-law of the same. While he was making a phone call to his brother-in-law, one of the persons snatched his mobile phone and pointed his gun at him and asked Ranjit to produce his gun. Later, the person accused Ranjit to demanding money from person using his gun and then locked him up in one of the rooms while his wife was taken into their kitchen and she was being questioned. Later, the 4 persons destroyed the CCTV equipment and they burst into their bathroom and took away cash and gold worth Rs 80 lakhs. It has also been reported that in the incident, Ranjit's single-barrel licensed gun and 2 mobile handsets were also taken away from his possession. Ranjit also informed the Elite News that people came in 1 red Thar Jeep, grey color Hyundai Creta and 1 Mahindra Bolero vehicles. Meanwhile, condemning such act of loot and robbery, Pakhanglong Mera of Mera Paibi's take a sit-in protest and 1 Premila Devi asserted that looting property from innocent people using arms and weapons is condemnable and questioned and requested the authorities to name the culprit at the earliest. Thoubal police station has registered a case in this connection.